gonna match. There we go. Okay. Rinse it out. It's not rocket science. That's where our filter will go, right there. But first I'm gonna clean it up. Here's the filter that slips on, and if you're vacuuming ashes or something, you really want a HEPA filter. This is just a fine dust filter. HEPA filter is definitely better.
HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particle Arrestor.
HEPA 5. Yeah. And when you're doing dry stuff, you either cannot use a filter, or you can get a filter that's recommended for wet stuff, or you can just take out the dust filter. But it's less likely to spit back, I think, if you use the filter recommended for wet stuff. Okay, got the wet dry vacuum cleaned out relatively well. And this goes on the bottom of the deal. And I believe there's a nut here. Actually not 100% sure. Or if it just pops through. Let's take a look here. No, it just pops through. Like that. It's on. Nothing to undo there. You just have to pull it off pretty strong. But this is what you want to use when you're going to vacuum dust or stuff. A HEPA filter is even better. This one's a fine particle filter. But yeah, there we go.
The filter will minimize stuff blowing out of the back.
And it's ready for vacuuming up dust. If you're going to vacuum up stuff that's wet, you'll either want to use a special filter for wet stuff or take off that filter. But now it's ready.